In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook account completely private with just a couple of clicks. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app and then click on the lower right side of the screen. Click on your profile icon. Then guys, all you gotta do is to click on the upper right and hit the gear icon. When you're at your profile settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down to the section Tools and Resources, and then I want you to click on Privacy Checkup. Over here guys, I want you to focus on the first option, which is who can see what you share. When you click on this, you will have an option to individually change the privacy settings for each of the information that you previously shared. Place of born, city where you live, where did you graduated, where do you work, your relatives, when is your birthday. All this information could individually be changed from this menu over here. As well, you can change the privacy of your post, privacy of other people's posts that tag you on their own post. This is where you're going to make your account private. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.